Meet Jamee. Jamee was our first project. We had a 3-year plan. We were going to redo Jamee, inside and out. We started gutting Jamee to redo the inside, but then I ended up getting cancer, so that kind of delayed things. But I beat that, and one day after I beat the cancer, Becky come home from work and said we were hitting the road now. Jamee wasn't ready, nowhere near ready. We had a travel trailer, but I didn't want to pull that one across the country. We didn't know where we could go. So, to hurry up and get out on the road, we went RV shopping. And y'all know what we ended up with. Honey, back there. Honey's up on a jack right now getting a new exhaust. But this is Jamee. Jamee has 59,000 miles on her, but she looks like she's got 150 or 359,000. Taking them seats and put in Honey. Those that's our outside light I use out here in the backyard to see. But these have the bases swivel. So we're going to put these in Honey so we have swiveling seats. But we're going to redo the seats and put them up in Honey. I'll show you the inside. He's got an electric awning. We're going to put that on Honey, but it's too long by a foot. But we were going to redo all the wheel wells. I had a friend going to fabricate me the I don't know what those things are called, outside wheel covers, wheel well covers, fender skirts. And of course he's been setting a while, so he got mildew on him. But Jamee's really a diamond in disguise. I mean, it looks bad, but little TLC and he'd be just fine. But here's the inside. Nice kitchen setup. Put a dorm fridge. I guess when Jamee's fridge quit or something. We have our reenactment gear in here right now because we sold our cargo trailer. We're taking that water tank and going to make that a water transfer tank for Honey. We're pulling all this out. And this will probably be Roy and Becky's Travel Studios. Back here's where we'll do our lives once we get situated here. And here's the bathroom. Of course, the front. There's no leaks in here. There were a bunch at one time, apparently. But everything's been resealed, and so there's no leaks in here. Air conditioner works. That oven has never been used. There's no burn marks on the burner. And over here, a lot of storage in Jamee. Here's a big storage closet. And some sort of critter nest. And then a shower. A lot of work to do if you was gonna put Jamie back on the road. Which we were going to do, but we have honey. So honey does what we need. So we're keeping honey. I gotta climb over all this stuff. So reenacting gear. Some former camping stuff. I was going to put that door on honey, but that door is just a little too narrow. I could frame it in and make it work, but we'll hold off and find the right door for honey eventually. Honey's door is fine, but eventually he's going to need replaced. Jamie's got a 460 and I took the there's a wire mess under here. I took the master cylinder cap and used it for honey, but that motor's only got 59,000 miles on it, and it's a 460. That motor may end up in honey next season. Brand new radiator in him. I had a hood priced on a LMC that we were going to put on him. That's really the only bad spot on him is the hood, body wise. But he runs like a top, drives like a brand new one. I'm going to put the turn signals in honey because honey's turn signals I noticed doesn't match. Honey's got a white one on the driver's side and an amber one on the passenger side. But that's Jamie. Those rims, not the tires are shot. Those rims are going on honey too. Honey has 16.5 rims. Hard to find tires for. These are 16s. You can find 16s all day long. But that was the plan, was this one. But then honey come along. And honey's back here up on a jack getting the exhaust put on. And that's honey's old exhaust pipe. There's my patch. And check this out, honey had another crack on the pipe. But honey got a brand new one. And y'all know the mission on getting that one. But you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna get back to work on honey. Later all.